I was like fascinated by it that you
Sure.
have. So these are like smaller restaurants, quick service restaurants
Yes.
they're vacant. Tell me about that strategy.
So I take people that want to get into commercial real estate and they say, look, I want to break into commercial real estate, but they're asking for proof of funds. It's a little bit more complicated. I don't know how to get the good deals. I say, okay, let me start you with a strategy that I'll train you on. It has no downside and a huge upside. They're like, it's too good to be true. Well, let me show you. Simply, let's say you're driving and you see a single tenant property. It's a single tenant building, standalone building, and it's sitting vacant and it's for sale and it's a two-way traffic. So you call the broker and say, how much do you want? The broker says, I'd like $675. And you say, that's too much, it's sitting vacant. I'll give you an offer for $600,000. That broker is gonna ask you, they're not gonna ask you, are you pre-qualified or pre-approved? They're gonna say, do you have proof of funds? You either have the money for a big down payment, like 30%, 35%, or you have the cash. And you're gonna say, I'm gonna buy it cash. Why? Because I'm gonna give you the proof of funds with millions of dollars. I have credit lines for millions and I have a lot of cash sitting always. So what happens is now you tell them, I work with a real estate fund and we're looking for this type of property. Here is my proof of fund. That deal, we can do it, but it's gotta be $600,000. We'll close all cash. We want 45 days due diligence, 15 days to close. Right there, you told the broker, I'm serious. We can do this. And you followed my description. There are 16 criteria I look for a building to say, this is the building and this is how much you should offer. There is formulas for it. And this is a training I do for a whole day. Like I'm just trying to give you the summary of it. So we're looking for, so you know what we're looking for, give you the summary of it is heavy traffic, good neighboring tenants, decent building that will take like auto repairs, auto zone, auto Pep Boys and stuff. Those are very desirable. Clinics, all medical stuff is very desirable, but the most desirable is the QSRs. They're the largest growing one, the quick service restaurants. There is thousands of them and their business model is to grow. If they don't grow, they don't make money. So many of them are national companies that want to come in and give you a corporate guarantee. So what happens is when you call the broker and you show them the proof of fund and you put the property under contract, now you have the right to buy the property for 45 days due diligence, 15 days to close. I give the individual, I give you 4,500 plus national tenants, the size of place they want to be in, the places they want to grow, who they like as their neighboring tenants, and who to contact.